Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be making some paper spheres with just paper and water and some glue. So here with me I have a bowl of water, which I'm going to be adding some glue to it. Now I'm going to mix it really well to dilute the glue. And next I'm going to grab a sheet of paper. I'm going to rip it up into small pieces and put it into the bowl. Then I'm going to submerge the paper into the water and mix it around. Now the last thing to do is to just take out the paper out of the water and squeeze the water out slowly and start forming the sphere. Then the last thing to do is to just let it dry for about 3 days, 3 to 4, and let it harden. Once the paper ball is dried, it should look something like this. And this is totally optional if you want to smooth it out with a fine textured sandpaper. And you can see here I did do it off camera. And that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.